Okay, so this is our Emeg e-wash freight carriage wash machine, and it is what it says on the tin. It's a washing machine for freight trains. This particular one, we're currently looking at a number of projects across the Middle East, and Dubai Metro and Etihad Rail, as well as 2 machines in the UK for GB Rail Freight and in Beckton. So we'll just talk you through what each component does, so you understand how we keep these trains nice, clean and shiny. So we start with a pre-wet. This is to kind of agitate any dirt, or especially over here in Dubai, any sea salt, sand, to get the initial agitation of that material removed. We then have a high pressure wash, again just to take more of the loose debris off either the carriage or the actual locomotive itself. And then we get to the first part of detergent. So we have a detergent spray bar here, which is spraying a detergent onto the train body, again to soften up and clean the surfaces. And then we have 2 high-speed rotors, exactly like a car wash. That's now spinning and taking off any residue of dirt, film, grease, whatever that may be. Moving on, this is what we call the cab end. So this is designed to wash the roofs and the front and back of trains. So this moves not only horizontally but vertically as well, so that you can wash the top of the train and also down the side of the trains and the front and the back of the carriages or the locos. And because this is a bi-directional machine, at the minute we have the train moving in one direction, it actually can come the other. So we have an exact mirror of what we've done this side, but when we have a particular direction, these are now used for the final clean, final rinse and a reverse osmosis clean water to stop the train from streaking with any residue that's still left. You'll see at the side, at both sides of the carriage wash machine, this is the trenches that we put all of the pipe work in and cabling to serve wherever we need water or power. And that's pretty much it, really.